To today's video. This is a B1 level grammar lesson, and today we're continuing to talk about the future tense using the word will. Okay, so see if you can describe this picture. And create a sentence offering assistance. So this is Anthony. Anthony needs some help. So you might say, I will carry the chair for you. Here are some other pictures. So see if you can describe them. Your family is watching TV, and then you hear the doorbell. So the father might say, I will answer the door. So offering or deciding to do something, we often use will or the contracted version apostrophe LL plus the infinitive when we offer or decide to do something, often at the time of speaking. So the doorbell rings, you decide to open the door, and then right after you open the door. All right, so offer or decide to do something. So you might say, I'll answer the phone, I'll shovel the snow, I'll take out the garbage, I'll arrange the flowers. All right, your friend is moving house, and you're going to write some sentences or fill in the blanks to offer to help. First one is done for you. I will pack the kitchenware for you. Go ahead and try the rest of these on your own, and then restart the video when you are ready to check your answers. So I will carry the boxes from the house to the car for you. I have my license to drive a truck. I will drive the truck on moving day. And I will paint your new house with your father. We can start today. These bags are very heavy. I will carry them for you. We need to talk urgently. I will call you in 5 minutes. We need to choose our flights. We will decide tonight. The phone is ringing. I will answer it. There are heavy groceries in the car. I will carry them into the house. The car is filthy. I will clean it. The TV is broken. Let me take a look. I will fix it. All right, this time you'll pick the correct form. Again, pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check the answers. First one is done for you. I'll pick up the girls this afternoon from school. So I'll phone you tonight. I'll take the garbage outside. I think I'll go to bed now. I'm tired. I'll sit down for a minute. Please give this to your mother. Okay, I will give it to her right now. So I think I'll is an expression to use when you're deciding to do something. The plants need some water. I think I'll water them today. It's raining outside. I don't think I'll go for a walk today. So in these sentences, you're going to use either I think I'll plus one of the verbs or don't think I'll and one of the verbs. First one is done for you. It's cold outside. I don't think I'll go to the beach today. Again, you can pause the video, try the rest of these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. So I'm very tired. I don't think I'll play football tonight. I'm hungry After such a long journey, I think I'll have dinner right away. Again, use think I'll or I don't think I'll. I'm very tired. I think I'll go to bed early tonight. I'm very tired. I don't think I'll go to the cinema tonight. That sweater is very expensive. I don't think I'll buy it. And the clothing at this store is very inexpensive. I think I'll buy some winter clothing. And then remember that we use going to for definite plans. Do not use I'll for something that's already decided, a definite plan before the time of speaking. Use the to be verb plus going to. So here, yesterday, they make a plan to go swimming. Today, I'm going to swim tomorrow. And then tomorrow, he's actually doing the swimming. All right, so now which is correct? I've wanted to read that book for a long time. I bought it last week. I am going to read it on vacation. So this was a longer plan, a plan made in advance. Go ahead and try the rest of these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. Okay, I can hear the phone. Don't worry, I'll answer it. So this one, the phone is ringing. You make the decision right then. It's not something that's decided ahead of time, so you can use I'll answer it. I am thirsty. I think I'll drink a big glass of water. Again, this is something that's done in the moment. It's not planned far in advance. The new action film is out. We bought tickets. I am going to watch it with Jim next week. So again, this is a plan made in advance. I haven't done any of the grocery shopping for the vacation yet, but I have some free time, so I'll buy some groceries now. So again, here the keyword is now. It's more of a sudden decision. I wonder who that is. I'll answer the door. So again, you decide to answer the door right at the moment that you hear the doorbell or someone knocking. Jane, are you busy? This laundry needs to be folded. Sure, I'll do it. Again, a very short decision time frame. I've had enough. I think I'll drive home now. So again, something somewhat short, not plans made in advance. All right, for these you'll use I'll plus the verb. So are you ready to leave the office? Yes. I'll leave now. Yes. I'll start. Oh, sorry. So I'm very hungry. Will you prepare dinner? Yes, I'll start to cook now. Will you stop at the laundry on the way home? Yes, I'll pick it up on the way home. Okay, are you at home? No, but I'll, oops, I'll leave the office soon. Are you at the office? Yes, I have work to do. I'll finish it soon. Will you pick up the kids on the way home? Yes, I'll grab them on the way home. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.